Hello friends, if you are trying to download Chase mobile application, Chase bank mobile application, but you could not download it because an error often comes. The device is not compatible with this version. So what's this error, and what is the problem, and what is the solution of this error? So uh, the error often comes when when your device is several year old and no longer receive OS updates. Okay, the issue is usually permanent, meaning the new app simply would not work on that hardware. Okay, it means you should need to replace your device with the latest features. Okay, and sometime developers restrict an app to certain size or resolutions because to ensure a good user experience. If your screen is too small or has an unusual resolutions, it might see this error. Okay, so and it has so many other reasons for this error, but the main reason is your device is several year old. Okay, so you need to replace your device. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.